Hey there, it's me again. Are you a seafoods lover? Do you eat crab? But before that, you need to know this first. Today, I have to discuss the poisonous crabs on Earth. But first, let me introduce myself.
Welcome for visiting my channel. Welcome to MABUHAY TV. I hope you enjoy it and learn a lot from it. Please like, share, and subscribe.
There are a few species of crabs that possess toxins, making them potentially harmful to humans if consumed or handled improperly. While most crabs are safe to eat, some have toxins that can cause serious illness or even be lethal. Here's a detailed description of poisonous crabs, their habits, and specific species known for their toxicity. First up, the Zosimus enas, devil crab or toxic reef crab. Their habitat: these crabs are found in the Indo-Pacific region, including tropical waters around the Red Sea, Mauritius, Japan, and the Philippines. They generally inhabit coral reefs and shallow waters. With toxicity, Zosimus enas is one of the most poisonous crabs in the world. It contains two potent toxins, tetrodotoxin, TTX, and saxitoxin, STX. These toxins can cause paralysis, respiratory failure, and death in severe cases. Both toxins are neurotoxins that block sodium channels in nerve cells, inhibiting the proper function of muscles. And their behavior: this crab is slow-moving and nocturnal, usually found hiding in rocky areas during the day. It is omnivorous, feeding on algae, small invertebrates, and detritus. This is very dangerous to humans. Eating or handling this crab can be extremely dangerous. There is no known antidote for its toxins, and the symptoms of poisoning may appear rapidly, leading to death if not treated immediately. Next is Demania toxica, toxic Demania crab. Their habitat: Demania species are commonly found in the Indo-Pacific, particularly in Southeast Asia and the coasts of India. They live in sandy or muddy substrates near coral reefs. With toxicity like Zosimus enas, Demania crabs are toxic due to the presence of tetrodotoxin and saxitoxin. Both toxins affect the nervous system, leading to symptoms like numbness, muscle weakness, and paralysis. Their behavior: these crabs are burrowers and often hide during the day, emerging at night to feed on detritus, small invertebrates, and other marine material. Also, this is dangerous to humans. If consumed, the toxins from Demania crabs can cause severe poisoning, and death can occur without prompt medical intervention. Third, the Atatus floridus, flower crab or mosaic reef crab. Their habitat is found primarily in the Indo-Pacific region. Atatus floridus inhabits rocky shores and coral reefs. It is often hidden in crevices or under rocks. With toxicity, the flower crab contains tetrodotoxin, making it highly poisonous to humans if ingested. Like other poisonous crabs, it does not exhibit external signs of toxicity, making it difficult to identify as dangerous without local knowledge. Also, the behavior of this crab is omnivorous and generally feeds on algae, smaller marine organisms, and dead animals. It is territorial and may be aggressive when disturbed. With dangerous to humans, consuming this crab can lead to neurotoxin poisoning. There are cases of severe poisoning and fatalities from people who have eaten Atatus floridus in some parts of Southeast Asia. And the fourth place is Platypod spectabilis, spotted reef crab. Their habitat of this species is found mainly in the tropical Atlantic, particularly in coral reef areas in the Caribbean Sea. They are often located under rocks or hiding among coral structures. With toxicity of Platypod spectabilis contains saxitoxins and other similar neurotoxins. These toxins are not destroyed by cooking, which makes the crab dangerous to consume, even if prepared by traditional methods. Their behavior of this crab is generally shy and prefers to stay hidden during the day. It is an omnivore and scavenger, feeding on small marine life and algae. And dangerous to humans, consuming this crab can result in serious food poisoning, with symptoms such as numbness, dizziness, and difficulty breathing. In severe cases, death can occur due to respiratory paralysis. last but not the least is Zantidae family, mud crabs or pebble crabs. With their habitat, the Zantidae family is one of the largest groups of crabs, with many species found in the Indo-Pacific, Atlantic and Caribbean regions. They tend to live in shallow waters, coral reefs and mangrove ecosystems. With toxicity, Zanti crabs, including species in the genera Atargatis and Zosimus, contain toxins like saxitoxin and tetrodotoxin. These toxins are resistant to heat, meaning that cooking these crabs does not make them safe to eat. Their behavior: most species in this family are small, secretive and hide in crevices or under rocks. They are omnivorous, eating algae, detritus and small marine animals. And very dangerous to humans. Poisoning from these crabs is rare, but can be fatal if the crabs are eaten. Symptoms may include numbness, vomiting, and difficulty breathing, progressing to paralysis and death if left untreated. How poisonous crabs get their toxins. Most poisonous crabs do not produce toxins themselves, but instead accumulate them by consuming toxic algae, bacteria, or other poisonous organisms in their environment. These toxins then accumulate in the crab's tissues, making them dangerous to predators, including humans, who consume them. Symptoms of crab toxin poisoning. Poisoning from crabs typically results from consuming the toxic flesh, but handling certain species can also lead to envenomation if the toxins are transmitted through cuts or abrasions. Common symptoms of poisoning include numbness or tingling around the mouth, face and limbs, untreated cases, nausea and vomiting, dizziness and confusion, difficulty breathing, paralysis, death in severe untreated cases. Conclusion: while most crabs are harmless and even delicious to eat, it's important to be aware of certain species that carry dangerous toxins. These poisonous crabs are usually found in tropical and subtropical regions, and their toxins are potent enough to cause serious health risks. In some cultures, knowledge of these crabs is passed down to prevent accidental poisoning, but in regions where these species are unfamiliar, caution must be exercised when foraging or purchasing seafood. Okay folks, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy and like our video. Thanks for joining me again on this journey. If you have any questions, then let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again on my next vlog. Bye bye.